stupidly.
Who the hell is this? Well, I'm deleting this one.
Can I help you with something?
Can I get a drink of water, please?
You're on camera.
Huh?
You're on camera. You better walk away now.
Okay.
The holidays are here, and so too are thieves, snatching up packages from doorsteps.
It's a crazy epidemic.
The porch pirate problem is one Matt Coates has become familiar with since moving to Southeast Portland.
Feeling so violated, like to have somebody come up into your space and take something that's yours.
But this isn't your typical porch pirate story. This one involves some sweet, stinky revenge.
I had something disappear off the porch, and it was really frustrating. So I figured it would probably happen again. So I filled up a box full of dog poop.
That's right. This is a story of a porch pirate, a pooch named Marlo, and, well, poop.
Packed it full, left it on the porch, and I thought, well, let's see how long it takes.
It only took 3 days.
Yeah, it went quick.
And these security cameras caught the criminal in the act.
One of the reasons I got all the video cameras is I knew that it wasn't going to stop people from stealing packages, but I'd have great footage when they did do it.
And he got plenty of it. First, you see the crook hit Matt's neighbor's house, stealing his holiday light projector right off the front lawn. Then he grabs Matt's bait package before going to the other house next door. That neighbor tells me the thief made off with $120 worth of new clothes. Matt's package, not as expensive, but still pretty priceless.
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Matt didn't get to see this Grinch's face when he opened his special delivery, but a friend texted him that it worked and found his payback package 4 blocks away on the street.
I was really excited, came home, my wife had gone.
camera recording.
Hello? Hi. Hi. No, I want to talk to you, sweetie. Hi. How are you?
Good.
Can you hear me okay?
You're a bit staticky.
Okay. You can come in.